Hello everyone and welcome back to episode number 23 of the vlog challenge, 30 days of vlog challenge, and today is day 23, which is crazy. We have 7 days to go. Like I mentioned in yesterday's episode, today will be a lot of fun. We are going to the swimming pool. I will have my breakfast now. I applied some sunscreen from Kiehl's, actually, the one I received in the package. And then I also need to wake up my husband, who is still sleeping. But till he's sleeping, I will do some work. There will be a lot of fun. I'm so excited. Off to the beach. The way from our home to the swimming pool is like 5 minute walk, but you need to take the stairs. And now we are taking the stairs. The weather is super nice, warm, 27, 28. And I'm already tired. Ready to jump in the pool. Hello. Look how pretty. Love that. Perfect weather, perfect for swimming, perfect. Now I will apply some sunscreen and jump. This is not okay to jump from here, so I will go over there to jump. I'm waving at my husband right now, who is over there. Super clear. Can you see the water? It is super clear. Nice shining day. Love it. Oh, I'm a bit scared. Okay, I think I will jump from here, not from here. Jumping around. Okay, right now I'm doubting on whether to jump again because I'm already dry. My hair is dry, my swimsuit, and I don't know if I want to go inside again. But it's really nice, so maybe I'll jump again. After the swimming pool, I took a shower, I washed my hair, I put on some makeup, and now we are off to Zurich for a really exciting thing. As I told you last week, we are selling our current car and we are looking for new cars. And today is the day. Today is one of the days where we want to try out one model, one car, and that's why we are driving right now towards the store. And we have an appointment. We have a test drive. And we'll show you later what's the car. We did a test drive and now we're heading home, back home. An interesting experience. It was a really nice test drive, right? We liked the car. Should I tell which car?
No.
No, it's a secret. We drove it a little bit, we felt it really well. The thing is that maybe, so the salesman, he will offer us another models from this brand, and he will contact us in the next few weeks and arrange another test drive, so another model. So we can compare the two models and see the difference, feel the difference, and also after that we will talk about like price range and so on, because we are watching a lot of reviews. You are reading the specifications, but until you drive it, you can't say it's bad or good, you like it, you don't like it. So it was important, and it is important, I think, for everybody to feel the car. That's why we're doing that now, and it was really cool actually. Now we are heading back home. We will have a dinner outside or something, or a drink, we'll see. And we ended up in one pizza place here, and we are having dinner. I will show you my dish. His yummy. It was so yummy and delicious. Happy face, happy tummy. And here I'm ending today's vlog number 23, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode, which is 24.